about loops. Today and day before yesterday, we have the previous two classes we have discussed about operators and conditions, and now we are in loops. Yeah, loops is very important topic in Python. Yeah, in loops we have different types like while, for, and while true. Let's see. I will show you one by one. If you are not able to attend, try to go through these recordings. If you have any doubts regarding those recordings classes also, just ping me, or you can directly share in the group so that we will respond. Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. I don't know whether you can able to see my screen, or you can listen. I mean, am I audible or not? I don't know. If anyone could be there in class, they can tell, but no one is there, right? So I'm going on my phone. I think you can see my screen. Yeah. Now I'll go through loops. I'm creating a new directory for loops. Actually, it is LOOPS. In loops, I'm going with new directory called. Don't create with the same name while, because maybe it can take the directory as while library. I mean while that inbuilt. Okay, so don't use while. 21 Python file. I'll show you what is while. For example, I want to print 1 to 10. We know how to print 1 to 10. Directly print statement 1, print 2. Okay, let's go with only 5 because can't tell me will become slack. So print 3, print 4, print 5. We know how to print 1 to 5. We can also print 10. We can also print 50. It will become little bit complex, but we can try to print 1 to 50, 1 to 100, 1 to 1000, 1 to 1 lakh. We can't go through these numbers, right? If you have, if you want to print a large sequence, we can't do that. So for this only, we got a concept called loops. Let's see how we can print loops. I said while, right? While. Let's see step by step. I mean, on I'll execute on each and every word. Let's see the output. Based on output, we can make changes. Okay. While it is invalid syntax. While I greater than 0, print I. It is saying that name I is not defined. Okay. So sorry, is not defined. Okay. So I'll define my I with 5. I'm getting some output 5555 like that. So it is not a valid program. So we are getting some errors. I want to get from 1 to 5. Okay. 5 less than 5. Print I. Even though I'm getting 111 like that, because I is 1 and we are printing I, here just we are checking one condition. Here my I value is 1, right? I less than 5. It is true. So that's why I'm getting 1. Again, it goes to the loop. As in the name, we can say that it is loop, right? So again, it will go to the while, and again 1 will get printed. Again 1, again 1, again 1. Like that, we are getting 1, 1, 1 like that. Okay. So we should not get like that. We have to keep some. We have to increase the I value, then we can able to stop this continuous ones. Okay, so how I can do that means we already done in operators increment, decrement, and all. The same thing I'm going to do here. I plus is equal to 1. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 because let why and also I plus is equal to, or if you are not able to understand this, I equal to I plus 1. Okay, the same output you will get. Okay, here I got only 1, 2, 3, 4 because here let's see why I got only 1, 2, 3, 4. My I value is 1, right? 1 less than 5. So my I will get printed. While will execute until the condition becomes false. When the condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop. Okay. If let's see whether it is coming out of the loop by keeping an else condition. Yeah, after 4, I'm getting end of the loop. Okay, that is nothing but only for, after 4, my condition got invalid, so it came out. Let's see how it is going on inside. I'll make a dry run is nothing but keep comments beside that line. What is happening in that line? I'm going to show you. Okay, my I before previously my I value is 1. Okay, so I less than 2, it is true. Okay, I1 is less than 5, true, right? So my I will get printed. If it is true, it will go inside the loop. Now 1 will get printed. 1 will get printed. Here my 1 value become let's see, I is equal to, we know the value of I here. Okay, it is variable. Okay, don't confuse between this I and this I. Okay, it is variable. I have taken same variable because we have to compare with this element, right? So I have taken same variable. We have to increment the same variable only. That's why I have taken same variable. So we will not consider this as 1. Okay, we have to consider this as 1. Okay, now 1, we know I value is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now my I value became 2. Okay, my I value became 2. 2 less than 5. It is true. So my 2 will get printed and uh, my I value become equal to, before my I value became 2, right? 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. 3 less than 5. It is 2. So my 3 will get printed and my 3 will become 4 by incrementation and 4 will go here. 4 less than 5, it is true. My 4 will get printed and my 4 will become 5. 5 will move here. Now 5 less than 5. Now it is false, right? 5 is less than 5 is false. 5 is equal to 5, but 5 less than or equal to 5, but 5 is not more or greater than 5. So I'll get only 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I give less than or equal to, then I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any one of the condition will get satisfied, right? Less than or equal to. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and end of the loop. In the same way, we can do many type of programs like if I want to find up to 100, there is no need to take those many print statements. Simply, I will get within seconds. I will get values from 1 to 100. That is the magic of loops. Okay, but this is as this is the first. I mean, basic class. You have understand all these basic concepts because these are uh, main pillars of Python. Okay, because without understanding these concepts like loops and conditions, you can't able to do the main programs or in real time also you will not able to understand the things. Okay, so try to listen recording class and learn these loops and all. Okay, if not, you will face so many problems. That's it. That is what I can say from my side. uh, yeah, the remaining thing you can do as you wish. Okay. Yes. I'll try to find even numbers. Okay. My requirement is I'll give a number and I should get even numbers uh, up to that number, okay, including that number. Okay, if I give 100 as my input, I should get even numbers from 1 to 100. If I give 99, I should get up to 99. Okay, let's see. As I said, we have to give input, so here we need to make give user input. While I return my number, before that we have to define I equal to 0. Yeah. Uh, Less than or equal to. Okay, I'll take out. I said up to that number, right? Okay. You have to keep equal to after this greater than or less than symbols. Okay, I'll print I first, and I'll increment I here I plus 1. Okay, I'm getting 0 to 20. Nice, but my requirement is I should get only even numbers. So I'll keep a condition in my while. You can also put condition in loops. Okay, in while loop, I'm going to keep a condition. If my I by 2, if I get my remainder as 0, then we consider it as even number. So I'll print that I only, not each and every I, only the I which is divided by 2. And if I get my remainder as 0, then I'll print that I only. Okay, I'll give 200. I'll get only even numbers. Okay, if I want to get odd numbers, I'll keep not equal. Okay, not equal. Right. I'll get only odd numbers. I got only odd numbers up to 500. You can get values up to 1 lakh, whatever you want. You can up to which number you want. You can get the output. Okay. Uh, I don't know whether you are understanding or not. Let it be. Yeah. I'll go with the another. I'll go with the prime number. I think your chart is prime number. Not, I can't do anything. Prime numbers are numbers which will have only two divisors. That those two divisors also one at itself. That's let's find out those prime numbers first. Just just give me a minute. Yes. Now I'm program called prime numbers. I'll give a number and it should say whether it is prime or not. Okay. Uh, First of all, I'll try to find out divisors. Okay, based on the divisor, I'll consider whether it is prime or not. Yeah. So let's think how we can do that. Okay. the same thing I will do. First of all, I'll try to get all the numbers, and after that, I'll try to modify my program to get my required output. Okay. Yeah. While I less than my number less than or equal to my number, print I equal to I plus 1. I got 10 numbers. Nice. I said I will try to find devices. Okay. I'll make div. Uh, if if my number divided by I, what becomes right? I should get my remainder as 0, 0. Then I'll print this I. Okay. Here what I'm doing is I'm dividing. If I give 100, I am dividing 100 with 0 first, and I incremented, then 1, 2, 3, 4. If I get my remainder as 0, then we can say that it is divisible. It is divisible. My number is divisible by this I value. So I'll get only divisors. If I give 56, there's something else. Okay. First number I will take is 1, 6. I got 1, 2, 7, 8. These are the only numbers which are divisible by sorry, these are the divisors of 56. Now I'll take one prime number. I think 93 is a prime number. No, 97. 97 is a prime number. Yeah, 1 and itself. Okay, this is called prime number. The basic number is 7 is a prime number. 3 also is a prime number. 5 and 17. 71. Yeah, 71 also, 17, 19. These are all called as prime because these are divided by 1 and itself. If I take 100 and get all the divisors of, okay, now we know divisors. Now what I'll do is I'll try to count the number of divisors. Okay, so to count the number of divisors, I'll make my count as 0 first, and if it is possible, I mean, if the condition gets success, I'll increase my count to 1, and I'll print that. For example, if for 6 I'll have 1, 2, 3, 6. I should get my count as 4. Let's see whether I'll get my, yeah, I got my count as 4 because I have 6 will have 4 divisors, right? So I got 4. Now what I'll do is, if my count is exactly equals to 2, then I'll print prime number, else I'll print not a prime number. I'll give 5. 5 is a prime number. I'll give 97 prime number, and I'll give 88 not a prime number. Okay, my code is running successfully. 500 not a prime number. Okay. Okay, I have done with the program. I'm getting exact output, but I'll try to reduce the time of execution. For example, I give a large number like this, taking some time, right? Okay, again I will execute 9. It is taking some time. Okay, prime number. It is taking some time, and I'm getting the output. Or what I'll do is I'll count how much time this program is taking to execute. start is equal to time. Time. You have to import time before to execute this one. Okay. N equal to time dot time. Print N minus start. I'll give the same number. Yeah, it is taking 1.40 some seconds to execute this program. Now I'll try to reduce the time taken by the code to execute. Okay, and I'll count devices from 2. If my number divided by 2 equal to and also I'll take less than only, and I don't want to use this count directly. I'll if my number print prime number and I'll delete this. Okay, rate this. Okay. Same number I'll give 9632587. Okay. I'll go next. Sorry, I've removed the start menu sample. I'll take the same number. Before it has taken 1.4 seconds, right, to say that it is prime. Now let's see how much time it will take. Same number. It is taking, even though it is taking same time. Same time. I think it is not a prime number, right? Yeah, it is not a prime number. Count 2 by 2. It is taking only 0.8 seconds now because I don't want to count the numbers up to that number, because for every number, for example, I'll show you for 6, you'll have devices like 1, 3, and 6, 6, right? So I'm not considering 1, directly I have taken 2. And now here I have taken num by 3. That means 6 by 3, that is nothing but 3. Okay, after this 3, you will not have any devices. So you, there is no need to consider that numbers, right? For example, it is a small number, so that's why you can't make big difference. I'll take 100. For 100, you will have 1, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25. I think these are the numbers. Oh, sorry, 100. I think these are the devices of 100. So here I'll get, I am not considering this one. 2, 5, it will check up to 50. And from 50 to 100, you will have 50 numbers. There is no need to process operation on these 50 numbers, right? So I am avoiding this 100 up to 100. Just I will go up to 50 only. Okay, less than or equal to 50. That's it. Just give me a second. I'll end this session. Okay. You are interested. I can make more problems to. I'll try to explain you some more examples, but I think you are not interested in classes, so I can't do anything. That's all about today's class.